Wait, could you say the question one more time, nice and loud?
What do you think of Jackson throughout the whole chapter?
Can you clarify what you mean when you say that?
What do you think his perspective of doing? Yeah. What was his perspective on seeing taking over the territories of the Indians?
Well, I feel like Jackson, he was really like straightforward with what he was doing. Like, a lot of the things he did, it wasn't really humane, but he had like a purpose. He had like a purpose, and he was gonna get it done, like no matter what. And then, in page 129. In the middle, it talks about how he obtained Florida, and how he obtained it because he wasn't trying to obtain it. He was just like pushing in the Indians, and then like all that fighting, trying to cause Spanish security and stuff. It says until Spain was persuaded to sell, he acted said by the immutable laws of self-defense.
But do you think that's like further evidence of like what we talked about in the last empire about how the rich are basically taking power than the British? Do you think that's like he's just doing that because he's rich and he's kind of right? Yes. Like okay. Okay, remember in the last academic seminar we were talking about is basically the rich in America replacing the king in British. Do you think that Jackson is just doing all these things to appeal to the merchants and the middle class, and in the end just like still doing what the British did to America?